Hi, good evening. My name is Dinesh Shishkan Zavre. Today we will be discuss about inheritance in Java. Inheritance in Java is mechanism is in which the one object acquire the all properties or behavior of the parent object. It is an important part of OOPS. Means object oriented programming system. The idea behind the inheritance in Java is that you that you can create a new classes that are the build in upon the existing class. When you inherit from the existing class, you can reuse the method and the field of parent class. Also you can add new method and fill in your current class also. Inheritance represented is a relationship, is also known as parent child relationship. Why you use inheritance in Java? First is from method overloading in polymorphism. Second is for code is reusability. The term which is used in inheritance. First is class, second superclass, subclass, and reusability. First, we will discuss about class. A class is a group of an object which have common properties. It is a template or blueprint from which object are the created. Second is subclass. Subclass means child class. The subclass is a subclass is a class which inherit the other class. It is also known as derived class, extended class, or child class. The third is a superclass. Superclass means parent class. Superclass is a class from whereas the subclass inherits the features. It is also known as base class or parent class. Third is the fourth is one reusability. The reusability of the name of specify reusability is mechanism which facilitates you use to the reuse. When you create a new class, you can use the uh, some field and method already defined the previous class. The synthesis of the inheritance, the class of subname extend the supername. The three types of inheritance in Java. First is single inheritance, multi-level inheritance, and hereditary inheritance. The single inheritance is two classes are used in class A or class B, but class A all properties or behavior to class A is a parent class or class B is child class. The class B all properties or behavior extend the class A. Class A is a this is a single inheritance, and thank you.